Hello, everyone. I am Abraham Escamilla, and I am a English education major here at Fresno State. I am at my junior year of college here, and I've learned a lot since I've been here, covered a lot. But I pretty much am based out of Fresno City, so I had transferred, and also my multiple intelligence assessment scores have my highest scores are for self, interpersonal, and language, linguistics, and musical. For my self interpersonal, it's 4.29. My language is 4.29, and my musical is 4.29. And I sort of agree with them because I've always been overanalyzing myself, and the self or personal score is correct. The language portion has always been a strong point for me since I learned to read at an early age. I found reading, spelling, and comprehension easy, thus why I am an English major. As far as the musical side, I've always been into music since a long time, and classical music was always played at my church, and also I learned a lot of classical stuff at school in elementary. I've gotten into many types of music, so yeah, I enjoy vocalizing and with metal screams. My three lowest scores are logic, math, and spatial and body movement. For logic math, 2.29 was my score, and spatial was 3.57, and body movement was 3.86. I agree with the math portion that I'm not so adept with structured mathematics, but as far as logic goes, I'm pretty good at problem solving. That doesn't involve so much numbers. The spatial portion doesn't make sense, so I don't agree with because I like solving problems, especially when it involves big picturesque problems such as politics, religion, and relationships. Body movement, I could agree somewhat with it, but it was never a problem until I recently got older. I love sports, but I haven't been as active as I should have be lately. So I think it sort of makes sense. And that is my multiple intelligence assessment.